All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. And this one comes from David Lynn of Kitco News. Now, silver, will it soar above 40%? Well, it could be. And one of the main reasons why is because of mean reversion. Now, before we begin, I just want to say if you're new to the channel, please give the video a like and also subscribe. Also, if you just want to check out a quick synopsis of the video, you can do so by going to the description below without having to watch the full video, though I recommend you do. Okay, so let's get into it. So according to David Lynn of Kitco, the issue has lent itself, or I should say, has lent to the GSR, the gold to silver ratio, to ramp up pretty high, which would begin to bring about a mean reversion. Now, we've talked about this before in prior videos where, once, an economic crisis hits, and once we hit a peak in the GSR, then we will begin to see that peak represents an inflection point. We'll begin to see the GSR coming back down again and mean reverting. Now, what exactly is 40% above where we are right now, roughly around $15? Well, 40% honestly is really just around $19 an ounce. So it's not too crazy, not too far-fetched to hear a 40% increase. Now, if gold remains at where it is at $1,700 an ounce, that means the GSR would be roughly around 89 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Now, that's still kind of high. If we've hit around 100 for the gold to silver ratio, that's only happened a couple of times in history. So, I mean, being around 90 is still kind of high. So I wouldn't be too surprised that if this mean reversion, which it is starting to take place, if it is, going to continue to take place and go down significantly, bring the silver price up, I also think the gold price will come down in the coming months. Why? I think primarily due to its historical behavior during the summer months, especially in the beginning around June and July, what's known as the summer doldrums, where gold will either move sideways or it will, decrease in price. So I wouldn't be surprised if that gold to silver ratio actually comes down even further from 89 to 1, where we'll see gold come down a little bit of price. We'll hit, somewhere in the 1600s, and the silver price will rise to about $19 an ounce, maybe even a little bit more. But also, I do think that we will see continued pain in the economy moving forward. We're not out of this yet. So I think if we do have mean reversion, it may be somewhat. Well, I should say, I don't want to say it's premeditated or it's premature of what we're expecting to see in the final, blow off top. But, this isn't it. This isn't the big one yet, guys. I mean, we got some more time, in this economic downturn. Expect to see more cases in the future. Expect to see possibly us going back inside after things start to reopen. But one of the additional reasons why I forgot to mention why silver might soar is because we are going to have more non-monetary demand hitting the silver market once companies and industries start to get back into work with these phased openings. So definitely expect to see that in the future. I wouldn't be surprised if the silver prices rise, and I wouldn't be surprised if the gold price kind of sinks down a little bit more. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. And again, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Also, please give the video a like, and I really appreciate you guys. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one.